Hi, good morning. Welcome to Excel Tips GH. My name is John and I'll be your tutor for this course. Previously, we discussed about the assessable income, the chargeable income, and then we tried to distinguish the differences between them. We explained that the assessable income is the income you earn from employment, business, and investments. And then after we list any applicable reliefs like the contribution to pension or the SSNIT, and then any other reliefs applicable such as the marriage relief, responsibility relief, child education relief. After you subtract all of those reliefs, then we arrive at our chargeable income. Then we explain the tax band to refer to the cumulative income which the chargeable income falls within. So we used an example, which is Kwame, who earns a basic income of 1,000, and then in the scenario we assume that there was no SSNIT nor any other relief, so the 1,000 becomes his chargeable income. Then we establish that based on the 1,000, it is going to fall within the 3,605 of the cumulative income, so that becomes our tax band. Now we started trying to use the formula to get the tax Kwame has to pay. So we said the formula is the cumulative tax before the tax band line. So we go to the cumulative tax, and here's the cumulative tax. So the cumulative tax before the tax band line, whereas the tax band line is all of this side, where the 3,605 row is. The row in all of this side becomes the tax band line. So before becomes the 18.5 cedis. So we pick it and then we add, we say the tax band rate, which is the 17.5%. And then what are we going to charge it on? Now we've realized that the 605, for 605, the tax to be charged is 18.5 cedis, but Kwame earns 1,000. So the remaining after we subtract this 605 becomes the amount we are to charge our 17.5% on. So this is it. So this explains the formula. Then when we come down here, we use the simple formulas, the plus and minus, to calculate for it. So with our first 605 cedis, we are going to pay 18.5 cedis. So the remaining one, we are going to charge the 17.5% on it. So we calculate for the remaining, which is 1,000 minus the 605, and then we charge our 17.5% on it. So in effect, with Kwame earning 1,000, the income tax he is to pay is 87.625%. Sorry, cedis. Now, in presenting this on a payroll, basically the person's name has to come, and then the income is going to be the 1,000. The tax is going to be equal to what we had over here. The SSNIT is going to be 0 because we assumed that he wasn't going to pay any SSNIT, nor does he qualify for any other reliefs. So the net pay is going to be the income minus the tax is going to pay minus the SSNIT, which is the portion that he has to pay. So with Kwame earning 1,000 without any reliefs and SSNIT payment, the take-home pay or the net pay he is going to get is 912.375 cedis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and then so that we can get on to be able to completely create a payroll which is comprehensive enough. Thank you. See you in our next lesson.